They just hip-hop along the bottom of the river like astronauts walking on the moon.
Aw, that's why I love hippos. That little guy is so cute.
I'll name him Hipster Opotamus. First name Hipster, last name Opotamus. Look at him go! Hippity-hop, hippity-hop. Oh, hi, little hipster. Hipster, look out! Crocodile!
I thought hippos ruled the river.
Yeah, but crocs will grab a calf if they get a chance. Mama Opotamus to the rescue!
Whew, that was close. Where's Hipster?
There! What's he doing?
The disc! Hipster found the disc!
Oh, yeah! Let's go! Oh, no! He's heading back! Mayday! 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 Whoa! Yuck! What's with this slimy rock? Hey, you're not a rock! You're a hippo! So that means this is not slime, it's natural hippo sunscreen. Thanks, bud. I wish our skin made a natural sunscreen like yours does. Whoa! Ugh. Gotta go! Gotta keep my eye on Tusker. If he finds that hippo sub in this river, there could be trouble. And there's the trouble. Martin, Aviva, come in!
That's it. Try to get past that big beastie varmint. Oh, and we may just be too busy to help if they get in a jam.
Aviva, we need the elephant discs.
I've never worked so fast, but they're ready to go. Jimmy is teleporting them now.
It's okay, little guy. You'll be back with your mom in a flash. Ah, like I said, in a flash. Stick around, buddy. We'll need you to activate our suits. To the creature rescue! Okay, you grab her trunk with your trunk and pull. I'll do the pushing, Martin. Not bad for a fake elephant. Pull, Martin, pull! Oh, it's working, Chris! We're moving her! Yes! I knew we could do it! Oh no, this stuff is thick! She's stuck again!
Guys, we're around the corner. We can help push her out.
We're gonna need all the help we can get! Hurry! Don't worry, Thorns' mom. We're gonna get you out. Wait, stop, buddy! We don't want you to get stuck in the mud again. Jimmy, keep an eye on him.
I'm on it. Oh! Ugh. Thanks, Thornsley. I wanted a mud mask today.
Okay, guys, you're hooked up. Go, Aviva!
Ow! Ow! She stepped on my foot! Oh, it's working!
Woohoo! Yeah! You did it!
Thornsley and his mom are back together. Way to go, Elephant Bros!
Gotta slow him down with walrus power. Flippers, don't fail me now. Tusk time! Huh. Flipper power to the max! You're not going anywhere with those cubs, Zach! Way to go, Walrus Man! Oh no. They think their kids are in danger from each other. Whoa, it's a rarely seen battle of Arctic Titans.
Forget dancing babies. A big battle is much better.
All right, the polar bear has the advantage here. Moving really well, like she's dancing on ice. But the walrus is clumsy on land like a giant blubber balloon. With no legs, she's gotta drag herself back to the water. Can she make it before the polar bear? Oh! Whoa, now the tables are turned. Even though the polar bear's a good swimmer, the walrus is built for underwater. Down here, the walrus is pure fluid swimming power. With the tusk, she's pulling the bear under. I'll grab the cup. I've got the cap. Yeah!
Get their mothers. I'll distract them.
It's all over, Varmitech. Stealing little wild animals, and you think you're the world's greatest mind? More like the world's greatest pain in a bear's behind.
What? No, I found these tender little ones and wanted to return them to their families. I was looking all over for you two.
What are you talking about? We saw you waving bye-bye with the walrus flipper.
No. It was holding my hand. Must have thought I was its mommy.
Can somebody get frostbite of the brain?
But I am so worried now. You've got to find their mothers. I'll just go look over there. See ya.
Hey, where are the moms? Yeah, where are they?